To fix the problem where Hey Google is not working on your Samsung Galaxy S25, and as you can see for me it doesn't work, Hey Google, it doesn't pop up. So now we need to open our settings, scroll down and look for Hey Google, enter it and move to all services where you'll be able to find Search Assistant and Voice, then Google Assistant, and here Hey Google and Voice Match. Now you'll need to make sure that your Hey Google is active, and if it still doesn't work, click on Retrain Voice Match Model. Then repeat exactly what you can hear on the screen. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then finally our voice match is set up, and now if I say Hey Google, it will pop up. In this case Gemini, but anyway it does work. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.